Hi, this is Derek Hodges of Anchor Point Wealth Management. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act signed by President Trump on December 22, 2017 is a total rewrite of the tax code, but it did not entirely eliminate the taxation on estates. Under TCJA, Uncle Sam's claim on inheritance is slashed thanks to the doubling of how much you can leave to heirs tax-free. The exemption is $11.2 million for an individual in 2018 and $22.4 million for couples, and it will increase annually by a rate of inflation in the years ahead. Estates in excess of the exemption pay tax at the 40% rate, but the number of estates that will pay any tax is expected to drop from 5,500 in 2017 to 1,700 in 2018. TCJA left intact the rules giving heirs a step-up in basis. For instance, say you inherit Apple stock that your family bought for $8 a share a little after it went public in 1983. Those shares recently changed hands at $178. That kind of appreciation usually means a whopping capital gains bill should you unload the shares, a 15% tax on the gain of $170 a share. Thanks to the step-up in basis, however, the IRS values your inherited shares at $178 rather than the $8 per share originally paid. Congress also let stand portability of the estate tax exemption for married couples. This permits a surviving spouse's estate to benefit from the unused part of the exemption after the death of a partner. If Dick and Jane have an estate worth millions, and Dick dies and leaves $3 million to their children, Jane can use the leftover $8.2 million exemption in her estate. Remember that the exemption for one person is $11.2 million. The good news and bad of all of this is that now through the end of 2025 is a great time to die. But just keep in mind that Congress could modify the estate tax rules by 2020. Left unchanged, the new tax rules are set to expire in 2026, but families with large estates will need to monitor shifts in the political climate and plan ahead. Please contact us with any questions or to set up a meeting, and don't hesitate to share this video with people who might benefit from our work.